So how can we as dental professionals introduce interproximal brushing to our patients? We know that flossing might not be the best technique for many of our patients and many of their contact areas. So when's the best time to bring up brushes? A really great time to talk about brushing is right after you finish all the periodontal assessment portion of your appointment. We've already been talking about bleeding, their gingival health, and we can introduce brushes seamlessly into that conversation and talk about how we could reduce bleeding if we try something new at home like a brush. Start by choosing the right size using your Chairside kit by Curaprox. Use the probe that it comes with to measure the interdental spaces for the perfect size for your patient. Blue for the tighter, red for a little bit more, and so on. This customization shows the patient that you've really tailored their care for them, and then in turn, they're gonna see better healing as they use it at home. Then we're gonna demonstrate in our operatory, show how the brush should gently glide between the teeth at the gum line. We're not gonna force it, we're not gonna seesaw, we're just gonna do one swipe and it's done. If you model it first, the patient is much more confident to try it out themselves. Invite them to practice chairside when you go get the dentist for the exam. There's always a little bit of a downtime there. The patient can maybe practice with a mirror when you're outside of the room. So when you come back, you can answer any questions, you can workshop through it and just kind of figure out if it's gonna work for them or help them if something seems off. Practicing it in office is really gonna help them get a grasp for it so they can take it home and be able to apply the brushes right that night as they do their home care. Then the last step is once you have everything sized, you're gonna make sure you give them their mouth map that shows them exactly which color to use where. This is gonna make sure that they can transfer the skill they just practiced in your chair to their home care and get the best possible biofilm removal. And then finally, make sure you tie in what you guys talked about with their custom sheet. You're gonna have this filled out with the areas that they use certain colors of brushes, but giving this will help them with their home care at home. It'll help them know what to order for them to keep it up with at home. And then explaining, be like, hey, this is where we're gonna see less bleeding, hopefully, if we use our brushes. When we say that, it's gonna really tie in the why the patient is doing it, not just what the patient is doing.